school food. For my food, 1 week, not enough. So I was thinking, this not enough. So what I did, Friday afternoon, okay, and the next day, Saturday, that 1,200, the 200 I buy rice and yung bagong
Binagoongan.
Fish sauce.
pesto, so
Tapis.
sardines, and then may 200 and 1,000 I buy flour, the sampagita, and then rose, flour rose, I buy sampagita and rose, and then Saturday night I'm fixing that the flour in the rose, take of the turn, and put in the newspaper like that and seal it in the church early in the morning in the church. So my 1,000 became 3,000 after that. I put like 1,000. Then after that, okay, Sunday, okay, 2,000 sent to my mother in the meal, and then 1,000 for me for my expenses 1 week. See, 1,000 because 1,000 is not enough. My salary is 1,200, so it's not enough for 1 week. And then how can I send money to my mother? My brother is going to school, so that's why I did in 1,200. And then the 1,000 become 1,000, 3,000. So 2,000 I sent which is big money before. That's how I earned.
From your construction salary.
He knows. That's why they don't do that. So that's why I'm their boss, because I have extra money.
Even though you're young, you take care of them.
Oh, so you know him since back then? You
Yeah. My room is, I have a refrigerator, I have TV. I have refrigerator, I have TV.
And then they're watching in your room.
Nothing, just their clothes.
That's why.